Hey everyone, Namaste, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing well. If you are new here, please do subscribe my channel. Today I'm sharing a quick yummy Dahi Vada recipe. So let's start. For that you have to take urad dal, wash it nicely for about 2 to 3 times, soak for about 4 to 5 hours, grind it in a mixer jar and make it a paste. Add water if required. We don't want a runny batter. Now into this add salt, chopped green chili and whole jeera and mix it well and fry it in medium heat all until golden brown. Now serve with a sweet curd, sweet and spicy tamarind chutney, spicy green chutney and roasted jeera powder and sprinkle some red chili powder. Our yummy delicious Dahi Vada is ready. Enjoy and see you soon. Till then take care. Bye. Annyeong.